Hey guys, welcome to M&M Plants. Today's video I want to share my experience. I recently went to Indonesia, Bali last month, and I had requested my guide to take me to a greenhouse setup if they have any, and he took me to this place in Ubud in Bali, and this was a greenhouse. It was a beautiful place. I had such great experience. The plants were so healthy, lush green. The weather in Indonesia is the perfect weather for plants, I would say. It's the perfect humidity, the perfect heat, the perfect rain they get every single day for a few minutes to a few hours. And that is the reason the plants over there are absolutely healthy. If you love plants, if you love indoor plants, beautiful ornamental plants, you should definitely plan a visit to Bali, and you'll be mesmerized with the health of the plants over there. You name it and they have it, like crotons, orchids, aglaonemas, ferns, palms, every single thing. They have it all. Cana lilies, elephant ear plants. The size of the leaf of elephant ear plants, they were humongous. These are all orchids. It was a very hot day. I normally don't like the hot weather, but I was enjoying my time over here because of the plants, the cordylines. Look at the color, the red color. These orange flowers that you see, they are the Ixora plants. You'll see them a lot in Asian countries. These are the red color ones, and they are available in all different types of colors. Bromeliads or bromeliads, I'm not exactly sure of the pronunciation. Elephant ear plants are everywhere, like all around you. These are all Ixoras. They are good for bees. Bees get attracted to Ixora plants. Hibiscus everywhere, different color flowers. That's me walking and looking at every single plant. Orchids. There was not one leaf which had any pest attack or any burnt leaf or any leaf with any problem or any plant with any problem. Like, they were all perfect. These are all creepers with different flowers. This is again the end part of the mini forest of the setup, the greenhouse setup. Look at the caladiums, the size of the leaf on your left. These ones, just look at the size. Perfect. Bromeliads, perfect. Dieffenbachias. Peace lilies, the big ones. I mean, peace lilies, we consider them as indoor plants, but these were outside and they were doing perfectly fine. Definitely in the greenhouse, but still outside in the sun. Look at the size of the elephant ear plants, like the leaves, huge. Ferns are everywhere. Calatheas. We all struggle with calatheas, but they were doing perfectly fine outside. The fishtail palm, the lady palm. Thousands and thousands of varieties of plants, ornamental plants. Look at the pothos. Perfect pothos you will ever see, like from all sides. These are all aglaonemas, the silver green ones, the white princess ones, the lipstick ones, all the aglaonemas, all cordylines. If you've liked this video, do consider subscribing this channel and being part of this family, MNMM family. But yes, definitely enjoyed it.